Hey everyone, in this video we have more news on the price of GoPro 9 and some more details on the specs. So the most interesting leak is the price of GoPro 9, which is predicted to be €479 or £443. This is a little heavy on the wallet, however this is a predicted price and we'll see if GoPro leaves it to this price to accompany it with new features or to reduce the price. If that turns out to be the case, it represents a 10% price increase over the Hero 8 Black, which arrived last year in October for €429 or in pounds £379. The front screen is 1.4 inch large, which will be used for preview or status purpose, and the back screen will be 2.27 inch. It has a 23.6 megapixel sensor, which will produce 5K video and 20 megapixels photos. Lastly, no leak dates yet for when it will be released, but as always, GoPro always releases a camera beginning of October of every year. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to support my channel, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.